Hello and welcome to the Allentown Auburn Railroad. I'm your host, Conductor Michael. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 4-mile journey along our right-of-way from our shops here in Topton to our station in Kutztown. The Allentown Auburn Railroad was originally founded in 1853 as a way to get coal from Auburn down to Allentown. They graded the line, but they never laid track. Eventually, the line was bought out by the Reading Railroad of Monopoly fame, and they used this little section, this little 4-mile section, to connect the town of Kutztown to the outside world. Now for today's tour, we're going to be using one of our favorite pieces of equipment here at the railroad, our pump car. A pump car is a device used to carry men and materials to remote sections of the line when you don't want to use a locomotive. It works by moving the handles up and down. These handles are connected to a rod. The rod turns a gear, which that gear turns another gear on the axle, which turns the wheels. Come on, let's go for a ride. Are you ready, Brakeman Nick? All right, all aboard! I'm tired from all that pumping. And what a better spot to sit and relax than our own Sleepy Hollow Picnic Grove. Our grove is surrounded by farm fields in the heart of PA Dutch country. We do lots of special events here throughout the year, including picnic trains, ice cream trains, pumpkin patch trains where the kids can pick a pumpkin. You can meet Santa Claus here in December. We have wine trains here, and we also open it up for private events. While we're resting here, my brakeman Nick is going to explain to you about flagging, which you just saw him do at their last public crossing.
Hi, my name's Nick. Today I'm your flagman. My job is to protect equipment on the railroad. As you've seen, I use a flag to stop traffic so it's safe for our equipment to cross public roadways. Today I'm flagging because we're using the pump car. When we're using regular pieces of equipment, such as a locomotive, we don't have to stop. In the olden days, when conductors wore uniforms such as Michael is today, they would use a kit like this. It contains a flag, you would have flares in here and torpedoes in here. Flares would be used at night along with possibly a lantern to help you protect crossings. Torpedoes were used before signaling and before radios existed to warn oncoming trains of stopped equipment. A torpedo is a small charge that is placed on the rail to warn oncoming trains of stopped equipment ahead. Today, as I'm dressed as a modern conductor, we would use things such as radios and contact with our dispatcher, who would use signals to warn oncoming trains of stopped equipment ahead.
All right, we're well rested. Let's get going. And here we are in Kutztown at our beautiful 1870 Philadelphia and Reading Railroad train station. We hope you enjoyed our journey with us today. Although this journey's ending, don't forget your next one will start here. For more information on upcoming adventures, please check out our website at www.allentownandauburnrailroad.com or call at 570-788-7531. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and like us on Instagram. Thank you from all of us here at the Allentown and Auburn Railroad, and have a great day.